Hello guys, you welcome back to Devon's Chess. How was your day? I hope it was fine. So even today I've come back with another interesting chess endgame puzzle, and it is white to move and mate black in two moves. So you have to find the two moves white has to play to mate black. It's a bit tricky in a way that if it was black's turn to play, it would be a stalemate. Black has nowhere to go, considering that this whole lane, this G lane is covered by that rook, and then black can't move its pawn, of course, because there's a white pawn in front. Can't move its king in front because there's a pawn in front of it, and also can't move this pawn. So literally, all these squares are also covered by the queen, by the white king. Sorry. So literally, black has no move to play, and it's white's turn to play. If you try to play a passive move like b2, it would be a stalemate because black can't play anywhere. So that's a clue for this puzzle. You have to find a move that gives black a chance to play. I want you guys to first try to solve it by yourselves before we solve it together. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the two moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section what you found. Do not forget to like the video and also subscribe. I want to thank you guys for hitting 100 subscribers. Let's grow this channel. Let's hit 1000 and even much more. I really appreciate. So let's try to solve it together. If you thought about capturing this pawn so that you give black a chance to play by capturing your bishop, the problem is after that, if you try to check, black can still escape and there's no mate. So capturing that pawn using the bishop doesn't work out for us, right? And if you try to move your king hoping that you could give black a chance to play, still there's this rook covering all this G lane. So there's no way black can play anywhere else. So that would be a stalemate as well. And the same thing if you try to remove this rook, hoping that black could get a place to play, it's also still not helping because the king is there covering all these squares and black has no move to play. So that's also not going to help us. We have to find another way. What about if we sacrifice our rook and black captures, then we don't get to mate black in the next move, because if we try to capture this, then that would be a stalemate. Black has nowhere to go. And if we try to move here, there's no mate because black can now go here, and those are two moves for us, no mate. So that's not also the move we are looking for. If we tried to not capture the pawn but put our bishop here, and then black really has one move because black can't capture with the king, so the only move black has is to capture with this pawn. And when black captures with the pawn, we have a mate in one. Can you find it? That's rook h8. That's the mate. Those are the two moves we had to sacrifice our bishop and then mate. Sometimes in life we have to sacrifice, and that's part of this puzzle. I hope you guys found it. Let us know what you found. If you didn't find it, share with us the variation you found. It could be wrong, but a very good variation that we have not talked about in the puzzle. Do not forget to like the video and also subscribe. Thank you for 100 subscribers. Let's hit more and more and more and more. Until tomorrow, have a good day.